Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Netgear Orbi Black Edition quad band Wi-Fi 6E mesh system. This is the RBKE963 model. It was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I just want to share with you this unboxing experience so you get to see what you get for your money and so that you can make an informed buying decision. So let's get on with the unboxing. So inside that colour sleeve I just showed you is this nice big box with the Orbi branding on top. Let's open this up and we will go through what we get inside. So the first thing we are presented with is some information about getting started. So it's a getting started guide. It's going to tell you about downloading the Orbi app, also how to secure your devices and how you do more with the app as well. And then it's got a guide on the various components included inside the kit and also the various connections on the back of the router and the satellites. Now you can get this in a 2-pack, so it'll have the main router and 1 satellite. You can get a 3-pack, a 4-pack, a 5-pack or even a 6-pack. And you purchase whichever one you require for sort of the area that you need to cover. So if you've got a larger building, then obviously you'll need more satellites. So let's take a look inside here. So we've obviously got the 3 components here. One will be the main router, the other 2 will be satellites. We've got an accessory box on the side here. In fact, let's have a look at the accessory box in a moment. Let's just look at the main components. So let's grab one of these out. There we go. So it's fairly easy to unpack this. I believe this is one of the satellites. Yes, it is. So this is a satellite and it's got a 2.5 gig Ethernet connection on the bottom here and then 3 further Ethernet ports and then also a little reset switch and the input for the power supply. So this is what a satellite looks like. Oh, and also a sync button on the side here as well for synchronizing up with the main router. So it's a nice unit, fairly large, but it looks very, very professional, really well made. Yeah, that's a nice looking piece of kit. Let's take a look at the other components inside here. So we've got, I think this will be another satellite. Yeah, so we've got another satellite here. So this is the second one, identical to that first one I showed you. And then this last component will be the router. And you can tell this is slightly different because it has the same ports as the other one. The main difference here is we've got a 10G, a 10 gig Ethernet port. And this is going to connect via your main sort of modem coming into your property. So that's going out to your broadband connection. And then all of these other ports are used for distributing a wired connection for your network. Of course, the power in this is all about the wireless connectivity, and this offers up some of the best and most robust wireless connection available via Wi-Fi 6E. So these are the 3 main components inside this pack. Now let's take a look inside that accessory box to see what else we get. Wow, this is very neatly presented. Love the packaging on this. So these are power supplies for each of the 3 components I've just shown you. So let's just take a look at one of them because they're all going to be identical. So here we go. So we have got a barrel type connector that's going to go into a router or a satellite. And then we've got this multi-voltage power supply and it's got these little pins here and you will take the adapter plate specific to your country. So it's a 2-pin European one. We've also got a 3-pin UK one and you're simply going to snap the correct adapter into place like so. There we go. And if you're in another country, you will get country specific adapter plates inside the box. And then these are going to plug into each of the components and you're going to set the system up via the app. This is a great system. Let's just take a look, see if there's anything else further down in the box. No, that is it. That is all of the components, and that is pretty much it. You're going to plug this one in first. You're going to download the free app in the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. You're going to set this first one up initially and then add on the additional satellites. That's how I'd recommend doing it. And then you're up and running with really powerful Wi-Fi 6E mesh Wi-Fi that's going to distribute the wireless signal perfectly throughout your home, offer up all those extra security features as well, guest networks. It really is superb. Now this is purely just an unboxing and first look. Of course, I'm going to test this over the next few weeks and I'll come back to you in a new video where I detail my thoughts on this product, the performance, and really give you my full review. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, then please do check out the links in the video description. There's links to where you can purchase this and to the manufacturer's website. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you all in another video very, very soon.